All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, all right? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so big day ahead of us. A bit too big. I don't think I need to put more pressure on what's on what we have releasing today. It is non-farm payrolls. It's NFP Friday. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, so this happens on the first Friday of every month. It is a red folder, high impact. We can expect to see some serious volatility in these markets, which means that we may not get a definite move. All right, so the ones on the fundeds, guys, please don't be risking more than 0.5% today. I'm gonna tell it to you again. I'm gonna mention it to you all right now. Whatever your regular lot sizes, use 1/10 of it. All right, so if you guys use $10 a pip, make sure you're using only $1 a pip for NFP. Okay, and this is just because this is when your brokers take advantage. This is when your brokers jump right in, up their spreads, and if you guys are going to be using orders, I don't recommend it. I don't know how many of you guys actually end up doing that, but if y'all are, I promise you, y'all probably are going to get wrecked. Okay, so be careful. I'd suggest you to get it on a really tiny position. Hold it. You could enter pre-news as long as it's a tiny controlled position and you know exactly where your stop loss needs to be. It's all good. Calculated risks, you guys. We have to have calculated risks in these markets, all right? And we're not financial advisors. Any risks that you take upon yourself. Just don't go too crazy, guys. I'm just letting you all know, okay? So I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, fam? Got Zero, Will, Jared, Arrow, Deadpool, Soltar, MSH, Manny, Space. What's up, you guys? How's it going? Okay, I reckon you'll see my screen now. This is what I'm looking at, all right? So do you guys see my charts? Great. Okay, so NFP, gold is the most traded instrument, if I may, for NFP, okay? People usually trade NFP just because they want to catch their moves on gold. I'm going to have my eyes on gold today as well. I have a nice little break of structure area sitting right here. This was actually the break of structure area that I'm looking for, as y'all can see why. Neckline being formed right there, but because it's NFP, I'm going to have some safer moves up here. All right, and let's look at the indices. So what I'm going to do is, guys, y'all pick which index y'all want me to have open, and I'm going to have it open with gold because I personally am going to be trading gold. So let me know. Do you guys want nasty and gold or do you all want the dirty and gold? All right. Let me know what y'all want. The thing is, so both gold and space, this one's for you, buddy. Both gold and dirty, they're both fast moving, highly volumized securities, right? So we want to be careful about that. I'd suggest that instead of having two fast ones, we'd rather have one fast one, which is going to be gold, and then we'd have maybe Nasdaq, and then we can have the dirty on a separate chart. But again, that's just my recommendation. It's what you guys want to be trading. So let me know, and we'll have it that way. Okay. Let's have some more people on reply to this on the chat. Come on, you guys. We have about, I think, close to 50 people on this call right now. I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, I'm asking y'all. It really doesn't matter to me. What do you guys want? Do y'all want Nasdaq or do y'all want US 30? All right, gold. We're having gold anyway because I'm trading gold. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of nasty. Okay, Nasdaq it is. Nasdaq it is. And we'll have dirty. We'll have dirty open on another one. Okay. So let's switch this up. Let's have Nasdaq here. Let's bring in Goldie right there. Okay. I have a stop that's sitting. I wouldn't recommend the ones on the fundeds. Okay. But listen, For the ones that are on the one-on-ones with me, if you guys wanna test it out, maybe hedge into it a little bit, take a super tiny position, man. Make sure you have a hard stop loss set on that guy, and take $1, take something of that sort, okay? This is only for the ones on the fundeds. If you guys are on individual accounts, you're going to be just fine. The brokers aren't as bad as FTMO and my Forex funds, or whatever it is that you're using, but those are the brokers that are really, really manipulated, okay? So you'll want to be careful, and you'll just sort of want to maybe get in on a really tiny position and have a hard stop loss set before news, okay? All right, so we have gold and nasty over here. Let's switch this up to the dirty. All right, I'm starting to like this area on the dirty. It's looking good to me. I like that. Okay, we've got about 8 more minutes. Fuck, damn it. Now the dirty is looking good to me as well. Now I'm confused. Ugh. Okay, now they're all starting to look good, straight up. Only sells on nasty? Well, no, of course not. They could buy up as well, but I don't have enough confirmation for the buy. So if the buys happen, then it's just pure manipulation. I do have confirmation for the sells, however. Okay, but if you guys want me to have the buys up here, as long as you know that this could be a quick liquidity grab, that's all good. Okay? Same goes with nasty. All right, I'm not going to be getting in on this right now. It could probably come back down, wick up, and if that's the case, we could be looking at maybe something like this on Goldie, okay? Okay, it's going into our sells. Let's see if they want to pick up some demand there. You know what? I'm taking a little feeler, okay, you guys. Just it's gonna be $1. I'm gonna have a hard stop loss set on it, so I just want to be in on the action if we're gonna move upwards from here, okay? All right, give me a lower low. Okay, and listen, guys, that being said, trust me when I say this, my risk management is on point, okay? Even though I'm getting in on a trade, I'm gonna have a hard stop loss set. So, and it's only $1 a pip, okay? And if this wants to completely push down, it's all good. I'll get stopped out, okay? I'm gonna find a nice little stop loss, maybe somewhere there, okay? That's a stop loss I'm gonna be looking at. How much is that? That's a 67 pip stop loss, which maybe with the spreads and all of that good stuff would give me about, I'm okay with even $100 loss on my feeler, okay? So I'm just gonna get in now, or let's see if they want to give it to us at an even more discounted rate. Okay, but listen, all of this being said, it could still pop up. Okay, you guys know NFP, and I don't have a magic ball in front of me. Please, please, please keep that in mind, you guys. Have the right risk management, okay? I don't want anyone telling me that, oh, you said we were going to sell and then we bought. We still will sell, I promise you, but it's just a matter of time when it has to happen. Price needs to respect structure in order for us to get the moves that we desire, okay? So let it do its thing. And just don't be over leveraging your account. And listen, if you guys don't feel comfortable, if y'all want to sit on the sidelines and just watch for the ones that are new on here, if y'all just want to see what it is that we do, then so be it. All right, just watch. You don't have to trade this. And this is a good question to ask for you guys. How many of y'all? How many of y'all are trading NFP for the first time? For the first time with us? Okay, a couple people. Yeah, it's always a good time to learn. Okay, watch your spreads, you guys. Even if y'all are getting into any sort of market executions, please watch your sells. I just said sells. Please watch your spreads. My bad. Guys, this could completely just come back all the way down here, okay? Y'all know where I'm going to have my stop loss. I'm already in on this tiny trade just to feel it out. All right, and if the sells want to kick in, I'm not going to be getting in on the sells, not on this one, all right? But I bought that bottom for $1, and I'm going to hold it for about 100 pips. Okay, I'm just going to update my stop loss. Give me a quick second. Okay, I have a stop loss. We aiming gold sell or buy? Neither, buddy. We're not aiming for neither, okay? It's just that based off of price action, we should be pushing to the upside. We've got to see what these markets really want to do. All right, so we've got 3 more minutes to news. Dirty looking nice as well, I'm not going to lie. Nasty looking nice. Let's have the DXY right here. Oof. Look at that on the DXY, man. Okay, I like this critical level we're coming to on the DXY. What are we seeing here, guys? Quickly. We have about 2 minutes. What are we seeing? Come on, I'm watching the chat right now, my one-on-ones. You guys, what are we doing right now? Screw the pattern, man. That's for noobs, okay? What are we what are we doing right now? There you go. Mario said it, okay? We're filling the imbalance. We're filling the imbalance, okay? So this leads me to believe that if we're able to get resisted right from there, okay? If we're able to get resisted, we pick up supply. What is Goldie gonna do? You guys are understanding what I'm trying to say, right? No, no, no. So, Kurt, what I'm basically trying to say is if the DXY does something like that, if the DXY does something like that, we could possibly see gold maybe start to get into this move, okay? So, we've got about 40 seconds to news. I am excited. Please don't be jittery, you guys. I have my order set up on gold over here, and let's see. Do not fumble, okay? Do your thing, take your trade. If you're in on any sort of trade and you see that you're up, realize your goddamn profits, okay? I can't be more straight up with you guys about this. All right, my stop loss is somewhere in that region, okay? So if it hits, it hits. Okay, look at that. Pre-market move. This is NFP. Let's have a good one, fam. And boom. Okay. Oh. Stop loss hit. Stop loss hit. Look at that. Crazy move. All right, so I got stopped out for $100 on Goldie. And the indices didn't do anything. This could just be a liquidity grab. Let's see. Let's take a look at the DX. Oh, okay, so the DXY did not respect our 101.5 level, which is why the DXY is climbing and gold is dropping, all right? So now we've got to wait for the next couple of minutes, see if this is only a liquidity grab or if the move really wants to happen, okay? So Nasty, like we thought, is selling. The Dirty is selling as well. If you guys are in on the indices, you're in on the indices, okay? Watch for that, watch for that. All right, NFP is positive. Positive news, NFP. W on gold, cheers, man, cheers. W on gold and L on Nasdaq. Okay, liquidity grab. That's what it's looking like right now. Okay, I'd like to see this DXY drop. All right, so now it becomes the wait game, you guys. Okay, this is what I meant. Either price does what we think it's going to do, or you've got to wait till the move comes to you, okay? So I got stopped out on my feeler for $102 to be precise, 102 pip stop loss, and now I'm just watching. Okay, none of my buys got triggered there, so I still have those that are waiting and ready in these markets. Your feelers, my profits are jealous of your account. It's all good, buddy. Congratulations on gold, man. Congratulations. Okay, and now let's see what can happen on the next candle, okay? So on the next candle, of course, we've got that room to cover. Give me a quick second, you guys. All right, they're taking it right back up. I had a buy 2020 on gold. Come on, baby, pump. Likewise, man. Waiting for that to happen. When it does happen, it'll be nice, all right? And if it doesn't, we'll catch something else. There's nothing to worry about. It's at least a 100 pip move on gold because I got stopped out for 102. 140. 140 pip move on Goldie, okay? There you go. The DXY is starting to get rejected. 100% worst case, I lose 80. Awesome. So you have your risk management taken care of. And that's what's most important, okay, buddy? Calculated risks. Calculated risks. GJ and UJ ripped. Yeah, man. I'm sure it did. Dirty being dirty. Yep. Okay. So far, indecision in the markets. All right. We still don't have confirmation whether these are liquidity grabs, stop loss hunts, or if this is the actual direction that the market wants to take. So we're gonna watch. All right. This is where the weight game comes in, and you've got to be safer than sorry. Okay. Gold's going to probably close over here, come back down to maybe create a higher high. That's what I want to see with the next candle. I want to make sure that we're not breaking that low, because if we do, then for now, it's going to be nullified, these buys. Okay, so let's just see. We're probably going to close, push up, retest the daily as resistance, get rejected, come down, create a higher high, and keep doing that till we prime our way up into our that region right there. Okay? Check this out. 16 pips. Ask yourself, is it worth it to get in on that? If you're hesitating, that means it's not. All right, straight up. 55 people. We just topped a new high with the attendance. Thank you guys so much for the ones that are new on here. Welcome to Forex Trading. We scalp these markets. We trade the Forex markets. And trust me, man, we scalp the shit out of these. Okay, so if you're new on here, just check it out. Look at what we do. See how we trade these markets. See how we find our opportunities to bank some pips in these markets. And get trading with us. Okay, let's see. Higher high. I'm hopeful for a higher high. Let's take a look at the higher time frame on gold. Look at how oversold that is. I want to get some solid rejection, and I'm going to start layering my position, you guys. But I want to get some serious solid rejection before that, though. All right, look at that. The dirty didn't give us anything. All right, the dirty is still within this range. One-on-ones, what are we doing here right now? Anyone? What is the term that's used to identify this back and forth movement? All right, I'm waiting for one of you guys to give me the technical term. One of you guys, come on, my one-on-ones, y'all know the technical terms. Consolidation is right, but what is this called? Come on. There you go, Kyle, my man. That's it. All right, so we're accumulating here right now. Um, let's see. Okay. You guys better be watching your one-on-one sessions again, okay? Because otherwise, the stuff that I tell you is going to go over your head, literally. Consolidation is good, but we need to know the difference between accumulation and distribution as well, okay? All right, we're also potentially coming into a little bit of a pennant over here. Let's look for divergence. Okay. Gold's testing out the low, all right? We need to make sure that we don't make a lower low, or this move's most likely going to take time. Look at that solid momentum. If we break past this, they're probably pushing it further, okay, you guys? All right, come on. I'm down $100 for the day. I want to get something out of this, okay? Let's see if we get rejected up there on Nasdaq or if we start a push. Okay, I'm in a little feeler on Nasdaq, you guys. Little feeler. Gonna have my stop loss at around this area, half that candle. Teddy's gonna come later. Everything's gonna come, man. Trust me. It's all gonna play out. It's just a matter of time. I have a feeling this is gonna come right back down. It's a solid range in these markets right now. It's surprising that NFP wasn't able to do this on the dirty. It's very surprising. Okay, look at gold. Anyone trading the gold sells? I'm not in on this because you all know me. I don't counter trade my analysis. But any of you guys in on the goldie sells right now? Because you guys should be running if you are. W, W, W. Good. Okay, new candle open. Damn it, man. This thing's coming right back down. Look at that. Fucking hell. How many chances have you had to get in on gold? One. If you're in on gold right now on the break of that candle, you should be up by about 15 pips again. All right, we need the momentum to break past this, you guys. We need the momentum, okay? They're not giving it to us right now. It could happen on the early swap in the next 20 minutes, or if not, it's going to be a market open move, literally. There you go. Boom. All right, the Dow is trying to push. I'm running on the Dow. I just got in on the Dow. I'm running by about 3-4 pips on the Dow right now. 2 pips, 1 pip on the Dow. Break even. Small position, nothing too big. I'm looking for this candle to close. All right, and that's when I'm going to get in with an aggressive trade, maybe on the rejection. But I'm in on this right now, okay? Still up by about 2 pips. 3.5 minutes is a lot of time. Literally, they could come all the way back down here, close here, and then you're going to see the continuation of the range, okay? So let's not get caught into a fake out. All right, I'm running by 3 pips again. Same range, okay? Break even, 2 pips, 3 pips, break even. It's flirting around with our box right now. And of course, the rejection's starting to kick in. All right, nice retracements coming in on Nasty. Gold's picking up support. All right, so we're gonna drop this down lower as soon as we get some confirmation that gold wants to make its reversal back. Look at where gold is right now, you guys. Look at that. Right, I literally just saw it at 9 on the RSI, so that gives you an idea of how oversold we are in these markets currently. Let's see in the next 2 how this candle wants to close. Come on, let's get this trade and let's call it a goddamn session and head into the weekend as happy men and women, okay? But these markets, they're fucking with us right now. That's all they're doing, okay? They're playing around. They're probably gonna close it right in our supply and boom, push all the way back down. Very, very possible, okay? A lot of times, Jeffrey. A lot of times, man. Okay, guys, y'all had 3 chances to get in on gold over here. Even after that first candle break, just that wick fill was a 70 pip wick. You could have easily gotten in on this, pushed to the downside. You had another chance to get in right over here. If you guys were using the strategy that I teach you guys on the one-on-ones, the Forex strategy, you literally could have been making a lot of money on these gold sales right now. Just saying, just putting it out there. I want to see how many of my one-on-ones, you guys, how many of y'all are banking in on this. Show it to me, man. Show me some W's in the chat. All right, just because I didn't make money, that doesn't mean you guys don't have to. All right, let's get it. Let's see some W's. Running nice on gold. Just got my feeler in, down 1.5. Beautiful. WWW on GU. Awesome. WWW. Okay. Look at that. Still freaking dropping on gold, man. Intense, intense. All right, let's see the next 30 seconds how they close. Let's see if they want to close up in a box. W with Corolla 1%. Stop trading 0. Listen, you guys that have made your money on the gold sells, stop trading and do it now. I mean that. All right? Take your 1%. Fuck me. Why was I looking for the buys, man? All TA gets thrown out of the window when it comes to these sort of news folders. I'm not even kidding. Nothing was indicating sells in these markets. Nothing. Give me a second, guys. I'm watching this really closely. All right, with my 2 positions, I'm still roundabout. There you go. There you go. Come on. Okay, boom. I'm up. I caught that bottom. I am up by 4,800. 3,900, 4,500. I'm going to change this to break even really quick. I'm not risking shit. 5,400. Boom. 5,700. Let's do it. 6 grand. All right, I'm in a break even position. I'm up by 6 grand on this. And I don't want this to reverse on me, so I'm going to realize some profits right now, you guys. And head into the weekend a happy man, all right? 6,300. All right, I'm catching my breath right now because I'm there. 6,600. Come on, come on, give it to me, give it to me. I'm up by 20 pips right now. By the way, this is a nice 20 pip move. Fuck it. I just pulled out 5,500 on the dirty. Boom. Who caught that with me? All right. Good, clean move, okay? This is still gonna most likely push up. Again, where did you guys buy? I really want to know, where did you guys buy this market? Let me break down my trade for y'all, okay? So I entered, oh, fuck me, look at that. I told you guys, all right? We're gonna hit TP on this. Even if you guys got in over here respecting the strategy, you should still be up by about 15 pips. And counting. My Lambo position for me was right here, you guys. I got in where I tell you guys to get in with the Corolla. That's what I was looking at. That's exactly where I got in with my 300. The second I saw this reject to the upside, I was like, fuck it. I'm getting in. I'm getting out. I could have been up by 10K right now, but it's all good. I'm not complaining. I made what I had to, and good move. Good move. Let's see some W's in the goddamn chat, okay? They made us work. They made us wait. Okay. Here's a really good point that I wanna put forward to you guys, okay? To me, all right, to me, this move, which is about 30 pips, is a lot more satisfying than this move, which is for 260 pips. Why? Can anyone answer why? Because this is a goddamn gamble. That's why. All right? For me, based off of my technicals, based off of everything and my experience in these markets, this wasn't supposed to sell off. This sold off, which shows me that we are going to buy. And when we buy, it's going to happen super, super, super quick. All right? So this 250 pip move to me, even if I would have made money on it, it wouldn't have excited me because this would be us, chasing a trade. However, this trade is something that we calculated. This trade is something that we cracked and got in respecting the strategy. So for me, these 30 pips where I made my 5.5 grand right now on my account leaves me the happiest person. I'm not even kidding. This is a lot more satisfying than this one. I hope that makes sense to you guys, okay? Several K for 30 minutes. I got to learn a trade. Deadpool, this is today. It's not even a crazy day, man. Trust me when I say this. I don't want to be blowing my own horn, but this is a weekday. I'm not even kidding. The potential that you have with the money that you could be making through Forex is exponential, man. I'm not even kidding. Keep joining and stick around, and you'll see it, buddy. All right, now the rejections are coming in. Let them do their thing. But we hit TP. What are the chances, right? Boom. We go exactly hit TP, and we're starting to reverse from there. 60 pips on gold, got the previous bottom. Good stuff, Arrow. Having traded for a while now, yes, Cram, that makes 100% sense. Cheers, brother. We don't gamble these markets, man. We're never going to be gambling these markets. There's a very, very fine line between technical traders and gamblers. All right? Rather than getting in on this trade, I would have just gone to Vegas and hit up one of the casinos there. I'm not even kidding. Okay, like this isn't worth it for me. However, when that happens, check out our chat because I promise you guys, I have a trade sitting right there, waiting right there, and when it happens, I'm gonna make some big ass money on this. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated on this one. Okay, is anyone still in any trades at all? Also, we have London starting back up from next week. London starting back up, my lovely wife Cash Effects. For the ones that are new on here that just recently joined us in the past couple of days, I don't run this by myself, all right? So Millzone is our business partner, Yano is our business partner, but Cash and I, we're not just life partners, but we're also business partners, trading partners, and partners that partners in everything. Okay, so I trade New York Market Open Live. She trades London Market Open Live, and she's back on. She's back tomorrow, actually, day after. She's back day after, and she's going to be ready for you guys come Tuesday. All right. So we're going to be having 3 sessions for London next week, and I promise you guys, wait for it. Wait for it. The week after the next, we're going to be giving you guys 10 sessions a week, straight up. All right, I'm letting you guys know. I'm calling it right now. We're going to top it up. That's the max that we can do. And we're going to be doing 10 sessions a week, 5 days a week, London and New York every single day. All right, so you guys are going to have a lot to trade with. She's an amazing trader herself. For the ones that haven't met her, they call her the queen of NASDAQ just because she's a serious pro at it. She's been trading NASDAQ non-stop for quite some time, and she makes 99% of her money on NASDAQ, all right? So she's going to be here for London. Next week, we're going to be doing 3 of them, but after that, we're topping it up, you guys. We're doing 10 sessions for you guys, and we're going to be here all the time. Army of millionaires. That's it, my man. That's it. Yo, were those disappearing messages, Milzone? Because it went from army of. Okay. Oh no fucking way. I had it open on a tiny window, so every time someone liked it, it just kept disappearing. Let's do this, man. Army of freaking millionaires, 100%. Okay, gold potentially maybe coming into a little bit of a bearish flag as well. Let's keep that in mind. But I just don't like the sells on this, even though it could sell off, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all straight up. Y'all know gold, okay? Gold's gonna be itself. Gold's gonna do its thing and just freaking not respect TA, not respect volume, not respect the analysis, and just it could continue to push back down. Okay, so keep that in mind. But let's look at this. Okay, let's see. Let's see. It may or may not happen at this time, but guys, it's simple, right? What goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. Same story. Literally, same story. Okay. Is GBP market closed Monday? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Which is why we're not live Monday. The markets are still going to be open, but there's not going to be much volume. It's exactly like how it was this week. I think the schedule should already be up for you guys. Or if not, it's probably going to be up in the next couple of hours. Guys, listen, you'll want to hit that stream reminder icon, okay, just so that you guys actually get reminded, because we sometimes we come on for New York Market Open, which happens at 9:30 Eastern. Other times we come on at 8:30 Eastern, like we did today. All right, so you guys want to make sure just hit that stream reminder button, just so that you guys know constantly when we're coming live and when we aren't. All right, and of course, if there are last minute changes, which there could be, we'll give you guys a heads up. Okay. For the one-on-ones, if you guys want to get booked up, I think Yano is figuring something out with the availability. I'm not too sure how that's been going. I am going to probably connect with them over the weekend and have an update for you guys. But there's currently a 6-week wait time. Okay, if you want to get booked in right now, and I'm going to say this again, I'm not going to be doing this for too much longer. We're only going to be taking new intakes for the next month, and then we're done with the new intakes, because as of right now, if I open up my Zoom, I have sessions all the way till July 25th already, and it's pretty crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. We're booked, and we're sold out, literally, completely. There's a lot of demand, and we are sold out. However, we're releasing slots as people are completing their course, and because I've been doing this for 6 months now, with 130 plus people on the sessions, uh, a lot of people are ending their sessions. It's amazing, because 50% of people that took the fives, literally 50% of them have taken 5 more at this point. So, which is why we're only able to release 2 or 3 slots in a week. Okay, so if you guys, I have someone that picked 15 session space. You won't believe it, man. Somebody has actually taken 15. Yeah. Trust me. All right, so listen, you guys, if y'all want to get booked up, now's the time. Okay, I'm not going to be doing this for too long. If you guys want to be personally mentored by me, y'all can ask anyone over here. There are 130 people. We had about 55. A couple of people have left post NFP, but a lot of the people are from my one-on-one mentorship program. These are super undervalued sessions, okay? And a lot of people have told me I have a great way of teaching these markets, and it's something that I feel I'm naturally good at, and I just have a way of breaking it down for you guys, because we we don't complicate things, man. Straight up. These lines on the charts, this is all we use to trade, and we use break of structure. There are a million people out there that are making trading more complicated than it should be, and we're not one of them, okay? We're doing something completely different. We're here to educate you guys. We're here to get you guys trading successfully, professionally, so that you guys attain your financial freedom. And we truly believe if we could do it, y'all can do it as well. Okay, so if you guys if you guys want to join the one-on-ones, message me. Today's the last day that y'all are going to be messaging me. Cash is back on Monday, and then she's going to be taking the bookings again. But till then, you guys want to message me. All right, I'll give you guys the information that you'll need to get booked up in for the one-on-ones, and these are super undervalued. The only reason that we charge for it is because my mentor once told me that if you're bloody good at something, never do it for free. All right. Try it out. Trust me, you're not going to regret it, okay? DM on Discord, yes, Cash Effects. Not Cash Effects, my bad, Cram Effects. All right, do me a thing, Zoltar. I'm sorry if I got your name wrong. Do me a thing and send me a friend request right now, buddy, because I think I have a few people. Oh, there you go. I got your message. Cool, man. I'll hit you up after the session. And for the other 3 people that sent me friend requests, I will let you guys know, okay? Could book 100 with the profits from the Forex strategy. That's it, my man. Were you able to pull out your profits yet, Space? I'm still looking forward to what it is that you bought for yourself. Hey, congratulations, my man. There you go. That's it, brother. I'm so happy for you, man. Congratulations. Millzone, let's get in touch with Space. Yeah. Bro, not funded. He pulled out profits from the first month, man, on his 100K. Let's get it. Let's create a group chat, and Space is always more than willing to give his testimonials for us, okay? Let's get it. Space the next cram, 100%, man. I truly believe so. I keep telling Cash as well. He's one of our bests. I'm not gonna lie. He's cracked it. He's got deep understanding of these markets, and the good thing with Space is he's always willing to learn. I see a lot of myself in Space. I've told this to him as well. We're learners, man. We're hungry to learn, which is why we keep striving forward in life. And yeah, I just couldn't be happier for him, man. Seriously, you deserve it all, buddy. It's giving me freaking goosebumps because I'm going back to my days when my first payout, I cried, literally. I cried. I was bawling my freaking eyes out in front of my wife, and I'm like, we did it. We're here. We did it. And it's only been upwards since. So I'm just so happy for you, brother. Really happy for you. Remember when MFF rocked? Dude, Space, I'm not gonna say how much he made, obviously for privacy reasons, but Space made back a lot of he made back that account plus like 50x. I'm not even kidding. Insane. Insane. And Space is only one of the guys, by the way. Space is one of the guys um, that have gotten funded. There are a lot of people out there. Okay, we're building. What are we building? What are we building here, guys? Come on, tell me. One-on-one. Space, you better answer this. What are we what are we building right now, Space? Come on, give it to the community. There you go. There you go. Accumulation, yes. Distribution and a pennant. That's what we're looking at right now. I don't want to be a noob no more. Hey man, when you pull out those sort of profits, you're not a noob in these markets, okay? Today wasn't my day trading wise, but still gonna be a great weekend. Why is that, Jeffrey? What went wrong with you, buddy? I took an L2 today, by the way. It doesn't seem like any trades are going to be coming. When the buys kick in, they kick in. But I took an L on my feeler. But the thing is, it was a feeler, right? So with the strategy that we have, with the way we trade these markets, with the risk management that we have, we take the Ls as well. Because if anyone's telling you that they don't have Ls, run as far as you can from them because they're lying. They're trying to sell you something. That's all that they're trying to do. We have Ls as well. But the only thing is our Ls are feelers, and today is a prime example for that for you guys. Literally, I lost $103, $102, and that's okay. That's okay because I have still taken the L, but that could have been a big ass position, right? So It's all fine, man. To me, this is still equivalent to a break-even day. Of course, it happens, Jeffrey. It happens to the best of us. We just want to win them all. Overtrading's horrible. Look at me. I took an L. I've stopped. My phone is down. I'm not looking at MetaTrader. I'm chilling with you guys. I'm talking on the chat. I do have my eye on this. I'm giving it the side eye, just keeping an eye on it, because when it happens, I'm gonna rip. But till then, I'm gonna control my emotions. I'm gonna control my greed. I'm gonna not let these markets get the better of me, is what I'm trying to say. All right? Be disciplined, because discipline is everything in these markets. And if you have the right risk management, you're just going to bounce off like nothing even happened. Didn't lose more than 70 today? That's good, Jeffrey. What's your account size, though? It shouldn't be like you have a $100 account and you didn't lose more than 70. You know what I'm saying? But 70 is fine if it's a bigger account. MSH, not much happened, buddy. Well, quite a bit did happen. We had a lot of people that made some money on these gold sells, and I made some money on the US 30 buys, and yeah, that's about it. That's about it. This could be another re-entry for Nasdaq, just letting you all know. Okay, what do we need to do on gold? We need to break that, literally. Okay, so we need to go boom, boom, boom. Something like that. All right, we're also building into demand right here. Let's see. What plans do we have for the weekends, guys? How is your Saturday and Sunday looking? Your Millzone, UFC is in Jersey this weekend, man. Go and watch it for me. Gotta go, guys. Uni calling was lovely today. Take it easy, brother. Take it easy. I live on the other side of NY. I'm gonna be watching the UFC this weekend. I'll be in NYC next weekend. Awesome, man. Can't wait to make a trip that side and meet you guys. It's gonna happen soon, by the way. First time joining, it was interesting seeing your analysis. Also, first time trading NFP. What's up, Jad? Welcome. Welcome, buddy. Still waiting on the moves to play out. It's the wait game, you guys. That's what it is right now. Guys, in the meantime, can one of you guys throw on the YouTube link? If you guys could please hop on to YouTube and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you so much, guys. I've joined from Alpha X. We usually do NFTs, but it was interesting to watch this for sure. Welcome, Deadpool. And I promise you, man, you're going to be back for these sessions. 30 minutes, 5 grand. Who doesn't that sound exciting to? Also, I've never been into NFTs. Literally, I've never bought an NFT. I don't even get the lingo that you guys use. It's almost amazing because I've been, like, I mean, my business partners own like the biggest NFT alpha calling group there is out there, and I know zero about NFTs. However, I do know about NFP, and this is the stuff that we capitalize on over here. We use technical and fundamental analysis, and we just scalp these markets. All right, so we have buys and sells that get hit, that get triggered, that give us our profits or our losses, all in one session. And our sessions are usually just an hour long, so it's pretty chill, man. I have a trauma from NFTs. I never took myself to that point. I'm a traditional Forex guy, bro. Traditional Forex guy. Like I've only and only traded Forex, a little bit of stocks, of course, but I've only really traded Forex in my life. I don't get any of that stuff either, lol, but it looks safer than NFTs. I've lost a lot of money so far. I am more interested in learning this. Well, it's listen, it's not about safe or not, okay? Because all types of trading come with their own sets of risk, and there is going to be a learning curve, 100%. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that this is something that's going to get you rich overnight, because it's not. Trust me when I say that. There is a learning curve, but it's just that Forex is a very traditional means of trading, right? You see this right here, this chart, gold. This was traded before fiat existed. This was traded before NFTs. This was traded before crypto. And best believe this is going to keep trading. And we're going to have a lot of people that are going to keep on buying gold. And it's just going to go to the upside, right? So it's more traditional. With your meme coins and all of the other crypto stuff. Again, I'm horrible with this stuff too, by the way. Not the analysis side of things. I can analyze the shit out of those. But I just let the other crypto callers do their thing. But my point is, these are extremely manipulated markets, right? If Elon Musk puts on a tweet, it's going to affect crypto, right? We need governments to release major red folders, major news events in order to get the moves in these forex markets, right? So it's more traditional. It's in that way it's safer because yes, it does respect technical analysis more than crypto would. Uh, Everything respects TA, right? The only difference that comes in is volume and manipulation. But as long as there's a chart and there's candles, you can do price action, basically what we're doing, and you can find your opportunities based off of structure, right? But it's just that forex is a little more. It respects TA more because it's manipulated, but less manipulated than your NFTs and crypto. NFP greater than NFT, my man. It's bro. It's taken. I've wanted to hear you say this for so long, man. I just never had it in me. I mean, it's amazing. Like literally, our business partner owns the freaking biggest goddamn NFT alpha calling group there is, and I'm getting him to say this. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. It says we've done something right, buddy. Thankful to NFTs. That's how I found Cram through servers. Hey, me too. I wouldn't say I'm thankful to NFTs. I'm 100%. I have I I can't even begin to like explain it. But if it wasn't for Millzone, if it wasn't for Yano, if it wasn't for me coming into PWL, we wouldn't be here today, guys. And we've got some serious shit planned for y'all. I'm not even kidding. Y'all can see it. The server's up and running. It's only the start. You guys are the OGs. You guys have just gotten here, but it's only going upwards from here. Trust me when I say that. So yes, I'm 100% grateful, and I'm just so happy I could come on to PWL, grind my ass off for about 7 months with those streams on the shitty freaking voice chat. but um, but yeah, we're here. We're here. NFTs will be back, and then they'll be gone again. I'm sorry, man. I'm just taking the shit out of you, my bad. The only time I profited from NFTs was when I got a free trial for PWL. Got to scratch the itch while the market's down. Honestly, most of my profits from NFTs and crypto, but now I need a new skill to learn. There you go. For those who don't know, Forex is, yes, 100%. It's not going anywhere, you guys. It's very traditional, and it's going to continue to be there. The most traders are on here. Literally, the only thing that's different now is it's gotten digital, right? Before that, it all used to happen over the kiosks. It all used to happen over literally through paper. That fun fact, that's from where the term paper trading even comes. And it's literally they would give chits to each other, and that's how they would trade these markets. All right. Or the most traditional way, when bills were introduced, is give me $1 and I'll take GBP. That's the way it works. That's trading forex. So it's just that it's digital now, but this is one of the oldest forms of trading and definitely the most traditional one. Good skill to have, like Crime said. It'll set you up 100%, guys. 100%. Cash flow from traditional Markets and back holding crypto. Shitcoins don't care about TA. They do, but there's just no volume. When there's volume, they care about TA, yes. Man, I know you will hit me soon. No, bro. Space. Did I create a group with you guys? I think I did, right? Sorry, man. My DMs are so freaking full. Gold is a commodity of Forex. Gold is a commodity, buddy. Gold, oil, silver, coffee, cocoa, all of these are commodities. The Forex pairs are GU. Anything against the dollar is a major Forex pair, and anything that doesn't include the dollar is a minor Forex pair. And this that you're seeing, US 100 and the Dow Jones, these are indices. Singular index, right? So these are the derivatives of multiple companies put together, right? It's like an aggregate. This shit is going to grow bigger than we can imagine. 100%, Jeffrey. 100%, man. Are we going to get any lesson from your Discord? What do you mean by that? Oh, the Academy? Yes, yes, yes. 100%, brother. We're going to have Forex Academy up and running. We already have quite a bit on Forex Academy, but it's at PWL. Is it already on the new server, Mills? Or do we have to get there? Thanks, Millzone, for this gem channel. Team effort, including all of you. Absolutely, man. We're building a crazy community over here. And I'm just so happy for you guys. Look at that. The buys. All right, let's see if they want to respect that or if they want to break past it and go boop. Gold is just fucking annoying right now. What group cram? Oh, no, buddy. It's just that's for a separate one-on-one session. If anyone joined from another server today, click learn more on the schedule bot to join the official Forex server. Coming soon, okay? When Discord invite, hey man, that's not up to me, okay? These guys, they're gonna have you covered, all right? Don't worry about it. Everyone's gonna get into the Discord. You guys are gonna get your OG roles. Everything's gonna happen, but good things take time, all right? Don't worry. Be on the lookout, and you guys will be getting in super soon. Okay. I didn't realize we're so close to market open. I was just going to say I'm going to call it a session, but since we're here, we're just going to wait for market open next 15 minutes and let's see if we want to get any sort of continued moves, okay? Keep an eye out. They send out pings, but you got to be quick. Yeah, man, we're releasing I think 25 at a time, and yeah, they're expiring in like 2-3 minutes. So yeah. Also, Mills, do we have success stories on Forex yet? Yes, we do. All right, so that's where I'm going to guide you guys. Just boost it. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you, my man. All right, listen. It doesn't matter if you guys have made $1, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It doesn't matter if you were paper trading. It doesn't matter if you're doing anything of that sort. As long as you guys got some value out of today's session, and trust me, even in the intro, if you guys joined in late, I keep saying it and I'm going to stick by this till we do this, all right? If you guys go on YouTube right now, you'll see the Forex logo behind me, all right? Literally. But we are not a buy or sell channel. We are here to educate you guys. We're never, ever, ever going to do copy trades for y'all, but we are going to sit here, trade these markets live with y'all and teach y'all how to navigate your way through these markets. Okay, so if you've got any value out of the session, be the first to go on to success stories on Forex and put on a success story for us. Okay, we'd really, really appreciate that. And let's make a habit out of this. Okay, you guys. I don't want to keep telling y'all again and again and again and again and again. It's a free service. All right, so let's get those success stories up and running on Forex. Okay. Take it easy, buddy. Have a good one. I think this is my first NFP in quite some time where I haven't made more than like 10 grand. Not even kidding. It's been quite some time, but it's all good. All right. I lost 100 and I made about 5 grand, so I can't be complaining. To sum it up, what's the best channel social media to follow you guys and keep up with stuff? Just stick with our Discord right now, buddy, and our Twitter. So if you want to join our Discord and get our the OG role, you're also gonna have to be following us on Twitter. And apart from that, we're not sending any sort of text stuff as of right now because we're trading live for you guys twice a day, every single day. All right. So my wife is gonna be live. Cash FX is gonna be live for London Market Open, and I'm gonna be live for the New York Market Open. And yeah, everything's gonna be on the Forex server and on Twitter. Cram, will you ever do live face-to-face training? That's something I haven't thought about. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. But Zoom just makes it so much easier, no? I mean, it's like we're still face to face, and I usually don't. Well, not usually. I don't put my camera on. Oh, fuck. Excuse my language, you guys. But this is starting to look good, man. Please be a market open move. Please, please, please be a market open move. Who's understanding what I'm saying? Do you guys know what I'm looking at right now? One-on-ones, you guys? Oh, look at that. Milzone's in a good mood today, you guys. Go and grab it, okay, if you haven't already. Guys, one-on-ones. For real, though. That's it, Manny. That's it, my brother. That's it. All right, let's see. Let's see if we break past. I'm waiting on this to happen so bad, man. I'm waiting on. I'm itching right now. I have my order set up right there, but I'm gonna look for a quick in and out from here, man. Does anyone over here trade stocks? Does anyone do stocks? Okay, I guess not. Have you gotten the likes up on YouTube, Milzone? Mm-hmm. First time joining Zoom and I get to join your Discord. Cheers. Welcome, welcome to the army. I don't, but wouldn't mind if you included. You never know, guys. You never know. Maybe I'm just giving you guys a little bit of a hint now, but you never know. The sky's the limit, okay? And I used to trade quite a bit of stocks back in the day, whilst I was still learning. But then Forex made me some real money, and it still continues to. So there's no looking back for me. But yeah, definitely something that we eventually will add for you guys. Some stock analysis and some. We could scalp the shit out of it, man. Not even gonna lie. Also, guys, I don't know if I mentioned it to y'all, but there is, with the one-on-ones, there's a 6-week wait time. Okay, I just saw someone's message, and just letting y'all know there is a 6-week wait time. Putting it out there. We have an express package which will make you skip the wait time. It's the weekend package, and a lot of people take that package as well. But if you're going with the regular, there's going to be a wait time. Okay. Cool. So we have about 8 more minutes to market open, you guys. And trading options, yeah. Guys, what we do is very similar to options trading, by the way. It's just that there's a factor of time that comes in, but it's very similar. Cram, I know I want to book another 5 sessions after my first lot. Do I need to book before you stop taking more intakes? Yes, you're going to have to do that. GGFX. I'm so sorry you had to end up waiting for so long. I hope that I sent you your 4 links together now, though, because I don't want to have this gap in between our sessions anymore. Fucking hell, look at gold, man. Chop, chop. All right, this is not happening. Yes, you have it all booked. Good. But yeah, before I stop taking the new intakes is when you're going to have to get booked up. I would like the same, sure. The only thing is, Alex. There are so many Alexes on the one-on-one, so I don't know which one you are. So if you could just message. Oh, there you go. Yeah, bro. It's all good. Your sessions are on, so we can work it out with you. GGFX, can you please send me the links to book the next 5? Sure. I'll ask Cash to message you with the booking details, and we'll send you the links right after that. Pocket, you're good, bro. We have the weekend sessions anyway, so we can work it out. Yes, I'm actually watching that on my phone, Jared. That's what I'm looking at. I don't take this into too much of consideration, just for the ones that might be thinking that, but I don't really take this into too much consideration. On the RSI, I'm purely looking for overbought and oversold levels and divergence. I just have it because it's stock, and I couldn't be bothered to change the settings. But however, these are more that I like to see. That entry still looks good, man, as long as we close above that goddamn EMA. US 30 attempting to make those highs again. And the sells on gold could very well still come in, okay? I'm just letting you guys know, because the RSI has now gotten room to breathe. All right, so we were at 7 at one point, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. About 35 minutes later, we're now at 24. So we could retest the 30, push back down, and then start to make it up. All right, so I'm intentionally not giving you guys a sell position, but just for the sake of your learning, where would the sell position be right now, guys? One-on-ones? It'd be playing out currently, right? The break of our demand would be our sell. Okay, just letting you all know. There you go. Yes, sir. GGFX, if you could please message Cash and just let her know that you want to get booked up. She'll respond to you, and she will send you the details and the links that follow, okay? What plans do you guys have for the weekends? Mills, what are you up to, bro? Do you have a game or something? Yeah, aren't you like into football? I'm not into football at all. No football, no soccer. I mean, at least the stuff that I'm NFL season's over. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, I'm with MMA. We've got stuff literally every week. So, but Bar League softball starts in 2 weeks, baby. Sounds like fun, bro. Hi, Kevin. Welcome, welcome. Gotta put a new fence up. Storm took it away. Oh, man. I have a working weekend, man. I've been having working weekends for a while now, the past couple of weeks. In fact, it's really it's messed up because Saturdays and Sundays are actually they're a lot more heavier than the regular days for me. Got back-to-back sessions. I do about 4 to 5 one-on-one sessions over the weekends, like Saturday and Sunday. Do you support any football teams? No, buddy. I'm not into football. Neither am I into soccer. Um, it's just not my thing. I'm more into like combat sports. Do we have success stories already coming in? Oh yeah, we've got some success stories coming in. Thank you guys so much. The boy Jeff is the first of the lot. Lovely. Thank you, thank you. Combat sports equals Forex trading. Yeah, man. Yeah. Literally, like Sunday morning for me because of my time zone. Usually this happens like super early in the morning, which is nighttime for you guys, for most of you guys in the US. And I literally wake up at like 4:35, watch everything that I have to, and then I get to work, man. And then I'm on the charts for about 8 hours at a stretch, talking to you guys, and teaching y'all how to trade these markets. But I'm also so excited. Cash is finally coming back. Every time she travels, it feels like it's forever. Um, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to Sunday night. Do you play Mortal Kombat? I used to when I was younger. To be honest, I just don't get the time to play um, any sort of games anymore. The last game that I tried playing was Hogwarts. It was fun, but I just didn't get the time to take it further. US 30. Boom. The buys, you guys, the buys, all right? We spoke about these buys kicking in right there. This is what I made my bread on today, all right? And this was, oh, whoa, market open. Look at that, all right? Got a pop. Screw you, Goldie. Come on, is anyone trading the dirty? I could have held this, literally. It wouldn't have hit my break-even stop loss. No, it would have hit my break-even stop loss if I would have held on to this, but that was a nice re-entry right there on the break of that structure. And if you're in on this, you should be running by about another 50, at least 50 pips. Avada Kedavra. Well, I missed it too, so it's all good, buddy. It's all good. Already caught it and can't be complaining. Yeah, Hogwarts was fun. Did any of you guys end up finishing the game? Did you guys... Fuck. Look at that, man. Sorry, guys. I'm getting distracted. These big candles, they do something to me. Is anyone in on the dirty? Anyone trading US 30 right now? Anyone in on that? Come on. I'm sure at least one of you is in on that. Patience and Big Dirty W. Beautiful, my man. Look at that. They are pushing to the upside, you guys. Fuck. I should have been staring at this. I got too carried away talking to you guys today. In with two Corollas. That's it, my man. That's it. All right. Let's get a nice TP from Millzone for Raul, and for all of you guys that are in on this, right there. Realize your goddamn profits, you guys. Millzone, you better put on a success story. Already set to be E, just gonna let it ride, but realize some profits, bro. Still, realize some profits, realize at least 50%, and leave the rest in case it wants to happen. Okay. Beautiful move on the dirty, man. What a move. Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's. This was our buy on Nasdaq. I didn't have the box up here, my bad. But still, if you guys want to hop on, the break of the daily could still look good. All right. Let's see. Gold is trying to prime up. Boom. We've hit TP. Realize some profits, you guys. Realize some profits right there, okay? If you caught this, that's a freaking 100 pip move right there. Another 350 running. Cheers, my man. I'm so happy for you. Lovely, lovely. Close 400. Awesome. That's target achieved, man. Up 1800 today. My latest phase 2 attempt did not survive, but today was a great way to start my next phase 1. When did that happen? $1,800's beautiful though, man. 1.8%. Lovely. Keep it. Take out what you get and move on from these markets. No, of course, absolutely, man. We're transparent. We're honesty is everything. It's how we're all. Listen, all of us have been in this boat. We've all used to give it everything we had. Silly mistakes. Listen, we've all been here. I've told you guys multiple times for the people that are new on here. I lost a shit ton of money before I cracked my first account, man. I had at least 7 accounts that I can recall, 7 accounts that I remember of that I lost. Okay, now I know some of you guys have lost more. I know some of you have lost less. It's all good, all right? It's all good. These things happen. You need to go through the grind. You need to be thrown down by these markets in order to successfully keep pushing forward. Okay, you guys. So don't be stressing about these things. It's all good. And invest in your learning. Invest in these markets. Well, not literally throw in money, invest. That's not what I meant. But invest time into these markets. Okay, and it's the truth, man. Time holds more value than money. All right, and just don't give up. I'm struggling with phase 1. Yeah. I messed up with my challenge last week too. Was getting my yeah, guys. Listen, it's amazing with these new people that have taken on the added sessions. Like I was telling you guys, it's brilliant, all right? Because after we get done with 5, 6, 7 sessions, that's when the psychological side of things hit them, and they're like, what now? And those sessions are always the heaviest sessions. They're even heavier than the technical sessions because it took me a really long time to realize discipline, you guys. It took me, straight up, it's not hidden. There's a really simple recipe to cracking these funded accounts. Like literally, there's a written down recipe. You know what that is? Come on, you guys. I'm looking at the chat. What do you guys think? What do you need to crack the fundeds? There you go. Risk management. That's it. That is it. Discipline, of course. Yes, GGFX, but something that needs to go hand in hand with your discipline is risk management. If you guys have the right risk management, it becomes impossible to blow these accounts. Let me tell you why. If you understand risk management, and if you're risking 0.5% per trade, I promise you, you're not going to lose that account because it's going to take you 10 back-to-back L's to actually breach the drawdown rule. Firstly, if you're in 10 back-to-back trades, you are you're over trading. Stop trading. All right. And secondly, to me that sounds nearly impossible. Okay, you cannot have 10 back-to-back trades. If you're having 10 back-to-back trades, it's probably time to quit these markets straight up. Okay, so think about it. Respect the 0.5% rule per trade, and how are you going to lose your account? Know what I'm saying? Kurt, your new videos, bro. Fire. Love it. I can't wait for you guys to see the videos, man. Milzone literally said Kurt, and he said no. How cute, you guys. Get a room. Are they going to be on YT? Well, I'm not going to leak anything out, Kyle. Give it some time. They're working on it. Okay? Cool. Do we have any closing questions at all, you guys? Jeffrey, your messages go to my DMs. Yeah, I know. It's so annoying with freaking Um, because with Zoom, you've got to select everyone. Actually, this was on one of the London sessions, and I don't know who it was, but it basically got set like I was sending it to someone. Cash Give is a really good trade, and I thought I was messaging her privately, but apparently it went to the whole group, and I was like, I love you, sexy, and everyone was like, what the hell is going on? But yeah, I thought I was messaging her. She gave me a really good trade, man. And I'm not gonna shy away from it. Some people don't know how to use leverage and lot size. That's all it is. That's the struggle. Or like me, some people don't know how to use Zoom. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, you guys, let's call it a session. I am exhausted. I'm not going to lie. I'm looking forward to the weekend, looking forward to getting back on the markets, looking forward to conquering these markets again next week, jumping right in. F gold. If the move doesn't happen, we now know what's going to happen next week. Gold's going to be bullish next week. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Let them do everything that they want to, and we're still going to capitalize on this. Today was a safer NFP for me. Okay, I didn't let anything get over my head. I only went with what I thought absolutely was going to work out in these markets, and it paid off. All right, I've been live for about an hour and 23 minutes now, and I made what I had to make. All right, I hope you guys did as well. Please, please, please go ahead and put and put on some success stories for us. New people are going to keep joining us every single day, so it'll just be nice for them to see that we have an active community that's actually not just trading but learning a shit ton as well. Okay, because I truly, truly believe that I'm giving you guys a lot of valuable information for free over here. Okay, so go ahead and put on some success stories. The ones for the one-on-ones, I got 2 messages already. I'll reply to y'all. GGFX, go ahead and message Cash. We'll get you booked up as well, and it's all good. Have a great rest of the weekend, you guys. Have a great afternoon, morning, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Let's get into the markets with a fresh mind next week. Have a great time. Please stay away from the markets, okay? I literally say this every Friday, but just like you go to the gym and you need to rest your muscle, stay away from these charts for 2 days, okay? Because you need to rest your brain. It's always healthy to take breaks in these markets, okay? Because if you're going to overwork yourself, you're just going to let the emotions come and you're going to be tired, you're going to be moody, you're going to think these markets are against you. Kurt, timestamp, again. All right, but thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Have a great rest of the weekend and have a great weekend. All right, and I'll catch you guys on Monday for New York. London starts from Tuesday. Look forward to that. Okay, one-on-ones, message me, let me know. Thank you guys so much. I'm Cram, my partners Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out.